Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, you will see how easily you can replace the condenser motor. It will take us only a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch nut drivers and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new condenser motor. The condenser motor is located inside the machine compartment at the back of the refrigerator. Its purpose is to cool down the compressor and the condenser. If both the refrigerator and the freezer are running much warmer than usual and the compressor sounds differently, check the condenser motor and replace it if needed. Place the towel on the floor under the inlet tube. Then, using the 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the single screw that holds the tube to the rear access panel. After that, we can remove the 7 screws that hold the panel. And then lift up and remove the panel. Slide out the power cord. And remove the access panel. Clean the access panel grill for better airflow. Using the flat blade screwdriver, press down the tab and disconnect the motor wire plug. Using the 5/16 inch nut driver, take out the 3 screws and remove the old motor and the fan blade assembly. Memorize the position of the blade on the motor shaft and using the flat blade screwdriver, pry the blade off. Wash the fan blade with soap and warm water. Use the opportunity to vacuum and brush the condenser coils. This is the old condenser motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the fan blade onto the new motor shaft to the same position it was on the old one. Install the new condenser motor onto the mounting bracket and secure it with the 3 5/16 inch screws. Make sure the blade rotates freely. Connect the wire plug. Install the access panel. Make sure the water line is outside. Slide the power cord into the cutout. Secure the access panel with the 7 1/4 inch screws. Secure the water inlet line to the access panel with a single 1/4 inch screw. Plug the refrigerator in and run it for a few hours to check if it's cooling down properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.